So guys, welcome back. As you can see behind me, we got Steve in the trunk. We're gonna start leaving him there so he can't go nowhere. But actually we're welding new bars into the rear of the car. Something some of y'all haven't seen that I'm gonna have to get from Steve is when we went to the No Prep event, it actually was buckling the whole quarter in and then coming back out. And then we went to a car show and it was buckling the quarter in, just backing into a spot and popped it back out. So I ended up shoving a bottle over in the quarter just to hold it for the weekend. But now we're adding more bars to it. So we're gonna add a U-bar and then connect it up to make a giant X. We've got the bar bent, Steve's tigging it in, and then we gotta build some up bars to actually exit. And Steve was smart and actually thought this through. And he's gonna make it where we can still use the trunk. So we'll show you some of that and we'll get back to this. I feel like I'm doing like a Budweiser commercial or something. Budweiser. Bud Light. Or try to lower that side just a tick. Oh fuck, I did it again. That's on video. Oh, this is great.
That pedal gets you every time, man. Every fucking time. I got it in the back last time.
Alright, so here's where we're at. Steve got the, I don't even know what you call it, U-bar. Steve's still back in the trunk. He likes to be in the trunk. It's fun to be. So now we're welding side kickers in. You can kind of see. See, look, we got some kicker bars. So basically we're trying to make an X. Just stiffen the whole back of the car up. And we're hoping it'll help keep that quarter panel with the bottle shoved in going every time I launch. So we're gonna finish this up, start on the other side, and then we should be done, hopefully. So as y'all can see, we got Steve in his natural habitat.
Look at that, like a damn zoo exhibit.
So he welding the last bar in. This car's gonna be nice and stiff like.
I would like it.
So Steve's finishing the last weld. That'll finish this part up. We're gonna work on throughout this week, trying to get the traction control done. We finally got the, what was that thing we got? DR to Hall signal converter. What we got.
You can use an ABS sensor.
What that'll do is it'll let us use the ABS sensor to do traction control in the car. So we're gonna use the front blazer ABS signal to control it and the signal coming out of the transmission. So we're gonna work on that throughout this week. We're gonna finish this up first and then y'all can see it once we pull everything back out of it. So guys, if you look, we are done. Well, Steve is, he already went home. Looks great, all nice and tigged. I gotta get the battery back in, but looks really good. I'm super excited about this. So the whole thing was this. Let me turn this light off. There we go. Whole thing with this is we didn't want to lose all the trunk space because me and Steve do use the trunk quite a bit when we do drag weeks and stuff. When we go to car shows, we throw, you know, canopies and coolers. You know, it is a street car. As much as everybody wants to argue with me and say it's not, it is a street car. We use it as a street car. So not to lose my trunk space was, he thought of that, not me. And it worked out perfect. I mean, there's just all my space still. So makes it really nice. So, you know, Steve always does a good job, like always. I mean, I don't even have to question if he's doing something, it's going to be perfection. And this really is perfection in my eyes. But we got another little toy too, as y'all can see out there, and it's not the golf cart. I finally bought it enclosed. We'll get on that another day. But we're pretty much done for now. We're gonna do the traction control later this week, and we'll film some. And I'm gonna keep working on the trailer too, because I'll put before and after pictures, and you'll see that there's a big difference. But it looks pretty nice. Trying to get the golf cart in the car to fit is gonna be fun, but it is what it is. So guys, I appreciate it. Like, subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you later.